Thank you for using Draw My California Community. In this video, we will review the Describe Your Community section of this tool. On the side panel at the left of the screen, click the arrow next to the words Describe Your Community to expand this section. You can tell the California Citizens Redistricting Commission about your community by responding to the questions in this section. Try to describe your community in a way that helps the Commission understand who is part of your community and what is important to you. There are no wrong answers. You can describe your community however you like. The only limitation is that your community should not be defined by its relationship to a political party, candidate, or incumbent. You will be asked 4 questions about your community. The first 2 questions, which are required, ask you to give your community a name and to describe what unites your community or brings you together. Is there a project your community is working on? A specific need in your community that isn't being met? Or something that sets your community apart from surrounding areas? Let the Commission know. The last 2 questions are optional. Please tell us if there are any areas near to your community that you should or should not be in a district with. Finally, please include any additional information about your community you'd like to share with the Commission. If you need additional help in deciding what information to include about your community, click the information icon next to the words Describe Your Community. To learn more about using Draw My California Community, check out our user guide by clicking the link below. Thank you for your participation in this important process.